The following video has been developed by the PSC Mechanical Integrity Department to show how to properly install the Flexframe clean-in-place system onto an exchanger for hydroblast cleaning operations. There are many different variables that come into place when installing the Flexframe CIP system. This video shows the most basic bundle setup. You should realize that your setup may be different and should get with a subject matter expert if you have questions. To begin, you should ensure that you and the client do a walkthrough of the job site and identify the equipment to be cleaned. You should check for the type of Flexframe adapters that will be needed and identify any obstructions with the frame after setup. Obstructions to the proper setup that you should look for include an exchanger tube face with a lip that is too thick for the squeeze clamps, scaffold decking above the exchanger to be cleaned that could interfere with the Flexframe indexing, a partially extracted exchanger that is not flush with the shell flange, which would prohibit the use of the flange adapter plates. This video will walk you through the process of installing the Flexframe CIP system and 3XLTC on an exchanger using basic flange adapters to hold the automated cleaning equipment and indexer. The basic flange adapter should be used when installing the CIP cleaning equipment on an exchanger face that is flush with the flange or slightly recessed so that the indexer works properly. Start with the top flange adapter installation. Next, install the top horizontal box rail and drive unit. Begin the bottom section of the frame setup with the bottom flange adapter. Install the bottom horizontal box rail and free roller. Finish off the frame by installing the vertical box rail and drive unit. Once the Flexframe CIP indexer is complete, you should test the system to ensure that there are no other obstructions during the indexing process. Keep in mind that the free roller plate is used for vertical rail support and should move freely along the horizontal rail. Once the equipment is installed and secured in place, you can begin hydroblasting exchanger tubes, following all of the PSC hydroblasting policies and safety procedures.